can also create documents straight from your OneDrive. So at the top, we're gonna find new, and that's gonna give you the options to create a variety of documents. You can create a Word document, an Excel, PowerPoint, maybe a link to a page. I'm not sure why you would do that, but there's an option for you. So let's just create a Word document. And that's gonna open a blank document. So as you can see here, I'm just gonna type something. And you're gonna have like a little bit less options that you have on your normal desktop application, but sometimes this app can be useful, and you're not gonna find an option to save here because it's automatically being saved. So you can just go back here, over here. You're gonna see there's a document docs. And you can rename it afterwards. If you click on it, you're gonna get options on the top. You can share the document with someone if you like from here. So if you click share, you're gonna get the previous window we've seen. So you put the email of the person you want. You can download it, you can delete, you can rename the file. So let's just put another test. And also you're gonna have options to copy to or move to a different folder. So here it's asking me where I would like to copy the file to. So I'm gonna click on Tita Internet. I'm gonna choose the folders, and here I can choose which folder I would like to copy the file into. Press copy here, and that will make a copy of the file into the specific folder. If I click on the dots here, I'm gonna give, if I select the file, I can share it with someone, which is gonna be the same share option that if I had clicked on the top here. Next to it, I have 3 dots, which is gonna give me a few more options. I can rename the file, maybe I wanna check the version history, download, manage access. That's gonna have a look at the who has access to this file. So let's take a look. So at the moment, only I have access to the file because it's on my personal storage. But if I want to give access to someone else, I can click on plus, and I'm gonna ask for the email of the person. So let's give access to Daniel. The next section is gonna ask you what permissions do you want to give Daniel to this file. So here you choose, and here you put a message, and then you grant access. When you press grant access, an email will be sent to Daniel telling him that he has now access to edit or to view the file. So that's one of the main features on OneDrive that you'll be using.